Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Fortnite account here on mobile. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. All right. Wait for it to load. And here in the URL box, just type in Fortnite.com. All right. Once done, just hit on go or hit on search. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, all right, just go ahead over to the top right. As you can see here, there's these three horizontal lines. You just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on sign in. All right. Now in here, you just got to scroll all the way down until you find new here, create an account. Just tap on it. Now it says here, have you played any of these games on your console, mobile and PC, or on PC? Just say no. And in here, you're just going to want to enter the month or your birthday or your birth month. Maybe September 1 right here, 1997, hit on continue. Wait for the next page to load and go ahead and enter the email address that you wanted to be tied here for your Fortnite account, all right? For example, I'm going to use this one right here, madeformoney0000@gmail.com. First name, made, last name, money. Now go ahead and create a password, for example, this one, and then add a display name. All right. Just going to go ahead and add in made for money 97. All right. Then country, select a country. And once done, make sure to tick on this box where it says I've read and agree with the terms of service. And remember me on games and apps that use Epic Games to sign in. All right. Once that's done, just hit on continue and you will receive a verification code from Epic Games. Okay, let's just go ahead and open up our Gmail. Here, as you can see, we have the Epic Games email verification. So just copy the code, copy, and go back to the Fortnite website, paste, and just hit on continue. All right, that's basically how you do it. If you want to, you can go ahead and link your Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo account. If not, just go ahead and tap on done linking. And the next time you log into Fortnite, you can just go ahead and use your email or your username or user ID, and then type down the password that you just entered. And after that, enjoy playing Fortnite. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.